Have you ever wondered how to shape your boxwood hedges and borders elegantly? Boxwood, a versatile and hardy plant, is a popular choice for hedges and borders due to its dense foliage and ability to withstand heavy pruning. Shaping these hedges and borders is not just about maintenance, but it's also an art that can significantly enhance the beauty of any garden. It's like giving a haircut to your garden that highlights its best features. So let's dive into the process of shaping boxwood hedges and borders. Before we begin, gather your tools. Shaping boxwood requires a few essentials: sharp pruning shears for clean cuts, sturdy gloves for protection, and perhaps a shaping template for precision. Remember, sharp shears are key to a beautiful boxwood. With your tools in hand, you're ready to start shaping. Now, it's time to shape your boxwood hedges and borders. First, determine whether a guideline is necessary. If your vision for your boxwood involves a specific shape or border, a guideline can be a helpful tool. Simply use a string to map out your desired shape, securing it with stakes. Next, we move on to pruning. Armed with sharp, clean shears, start to carefully prune your boxwood, following either the natural shape of the plant or your guideline. Remember, pruning is an art, so take your time. Patience is key to achieving that perfect shape. Finally, let's talk about maintenance. Prune your boxwood regularly, but make sure not to overdo it. The health of your plant is paramount, so it's important to know when to stop. Typically, late summer is the best time to put down the shears. And voila! You've shaped your boxwood hedge or border. Shaping your boxwood hedges and borders is an art that requires patience and precision. Remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to experiment with different shapes to create your own garden masterpiece. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.